Hi. So what I want to show in this video is how I repaired the broken seat back on a sea kayak. You can see how the plastic hinges have broken on one side and is about to break on the other. So we're going to drill them out and pop rivet replacements in place. I'm going to use the old ones as a pattern to cut out the new ones. And for material, I ended up using just a piece of scrap polyethylene that I found that was the right thickness and was a good replacement for the old hinges. For drilling it out, I like to use an oversized drill bit. In this case, the rivets were 3/16 and I used a 1/4 inch drill bit. You have to go slow when you're drilling these, and when the rivet starts to spin, I tend to rock the bit in another direction to see if I can't keep cutting without letting that rivet spin. Be careful you don't drill all the way through, then you'd have an oversized hole. You just want to cut the rivet head off.
Mark these out.
Here I've marked out the blanks for the replacements. Cut them with a heavy pair of shears and then drill 3/16 inch holes for the new rivets. Now I'm ready for final assembly. I'm going to put the hinges back in the same way the original broken ones were. And one trick I do is to put a pair of rivets in to get the alignment right. And I might squeeze the first rivet slightly, or even the first and second slightly to hold everything in place. But I haven't squeezed the rivet fully yet, so that I can't then realign it. Here I've slid the seat back onto the base, given each one a little bit of a squeeze to get all the parts together, and then finally squeeze the rivet for the final assembly. And here's a view from the back, and it looks pretty good. We're all set.